Well, congratulations to you already. You are at the end of the introduction videos, and right now we're going to focus on the MyLab Math link, and then also how to navigate that site as well. So let's go for it here. So first things first, before we even get to the link here, let's go to the Files menu. Let's go to the Linking Canvas in MyLab right here. It's Hunjiev, because I made it here, so clicking on this one, it will tell you what you need to do. So let's go with it here. It says enter your Canvas course, then click on the MyLab and Mastery button, which is located right here, and then at that point you should have an accept end user agreement. They click on and you go from there. So if you already have a Pearson account, you've done this with another class or another, so you're going to enter your username passcode that you have from the previous course or previous semester. If you don't have that, you're going to click on the create, and then you're going to follow the prompts here. So again, remember, you have 14 days just as a free trial. Just make sure this all works out smoothly and you're getting the information you need, and you're able to successfully maneuver this course. After those 14 days, you will have to purchase the access code for the MyLab Math here. So that's the directions here. They're found in the Files menu, and it's Linking Canvas in MyLab. So when I go to it myself, I don't have that link of accept. So this is mine because I'm technically not really a student. So this is what mine looks like, but you should be able to navigate here. You accept and you go on putting in your username and passcode, or purchasing at least creating a username and passcode. Then you have 14 days to actually purchase the access code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go directly to the site, since I have it set up on another page. Here it is. Here's my teacher site, but I'll kind of navigate you through the pieces here. So first things first is, notice your homework assignments. This is for chapter 1. They're all due on the 17th because there's a little delay on chapter 1. From here on out, after chapter 1, they will be due every day, or every day according to the schedule. Alright, a few things here. So when you enter into here, you want to go to a study plan. That's one way to do it. You have these objectives. You're going to go to homework, and you click on it, and you can begin at this point. You're all good to go. So looks like there's 17 questions. Click on the question. Make it bigger if you need to. And you're good to go. So some of these are vocabulary questions, some of these are going to be skill questions, and some of these are going to be application questions here. So at this point, you can enter, check your answer if you like. Ooh, nice guess by me. Alright, and then you just keep on going. I'm going to just randomly pick some stuff here. Randomly picking stuff here. Oh, yes, okay, so you answer no. The correct answer is yes. Alright. And you keep on going from there. So hopefully that at least sets you up. Hopefully you've done a class like this before. And if you haven't, and there's a little bit of a learning curve, that's fine too. If you have any questions, please email me, and you'll be all set for the class. Now, the one thing I do want you to do, I don't want you to go to the grade book here, because the grades here are not going to be reflective of what your overall grade is going to be in the class. After the first week, when everything gets settled down, I will send an email describing how you should be looking at your grades. And your grades are going to be based upon the syllabus. And as you look back on the syllabus here, this is the breakout of your grades right here. So that's the one you want to really concentrate on for the course itself. Alright, hopefully the introduction videos will be good for you, or they have been good for you, informative for you. And one last thing, don't forget, if you want to stay in the class, You got to do two things for me. You got to email me as soon as possible, indicating your name and the fact that you want to stay in the Math 15 class. Then also you need to sign up for the MyLab Math as soon as you can. All right. I wish you success in the class and in the weeks to come.